Sanibel to go biking.
Yeah, hopefully I don't die this time like last time. Almost died in the street from heat stroke. I had to call Billy. Hey Billy, come pick me up at Billy's rental.
Lean in the turns.
So that's what lane we're in, the VIP.
Here we're about to pay $20 to get to the island.
Pretty much.
Ooh. Can't see out the windows. Alright, here we are. We gotta rent some bikes here, because ours won't fit in the vehicle. Only Pop's got his bike.
Right. Crazy Janker. I wonder how one of these are. One of these two-seaters here.
That'd be interesting. One of these. I don't know about this. We're gonna get run over.
Real tight. Hello.
This is the craziest thing. We're both steering, both pedaling. Oh yeah, we got this real nice baby right here. Look at it. It's even got a chimer.
Here we go. Bike cycling on Sanibel.
Take a nap in this thing. Oh. Off-road here for a second.
That's a house. Look over there. That's a house, babe. One house.
The objective is to get to the lighthouse.
Yes, we'll get there. Look at those huts.
Anchoring. The whole building is a roof. This thing can do pretty good though. Oh my gosh, we're leaning it. We're really getting the speed now, kids. The family left us behind, so we gotta make up.
For last time. Hello. He's doing a great job. I want to say that to everyone who goes by.
Oh dear, we got the bridge coming up.
You have it in the low gear, babe?
Oh yeah. Always in the low gear. Oh,
come on, bye.
Oh yeah.
Oh snap. Can't hurt it. Come on, we can do it, babe. The firepowers combine. Oh snap. Babe, forward. I'm a Christian soldier. Biking all day long. We're almost to the top.
Oh dear.
And then we're gonna cruise down.
I don't think I can do it.
Oh, that helps if you.
Oh.
Here we go.
Okay. Oh, look at a nice view.
Well, something was splashing down me. You see any fishies? Alright, we're about to lose control.
It's like Splash Mountain. There's a nice view at the top, and then all of a sudden, breaks loose.
We're gonna like crash into it. High five, Ben. Give me a high five. We did. We made it. Rolling, rolling on the river. Do, 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 do.
It's been going by itself for quite a while. It's electric, I think, and we didn't even know it. Creeping around the turns.
That's what the roof is, a solar panel.
There it is.
There it is.
We finally made it.
Well, we don't see our family.
Peeking out of the bushes.
Maybe that's their bike.
And into the beautiful lighthouse of old. They gone.
Does one of those look like Papadoos?
No. Smells good though.
Can I have a hot dog? Smells good. There's my Papadoo. Where's everybody else?
Right over there by the beach.
Cooter Kev. You like our bike?
Yeah. Was it easy to ride?
Yeah, Jordan pedaled the whole way.
Does it shift? Has it got gears to shift?
It has like 3 gears.
Yeah.
It's nature time with Amy. What are these Floridian plants we got going on?
Sea grapes. Those are sea grapes with the round
Sea
leaves.
grapes.
And they literally have like little green grapes, but you can't eat them. They're not eating grapes.
I don't
What are we doing, man?
Riding on the shells. So we came up over here.
There's Rod Noodles.
Rod Noodles.
I'll buy my bathing suit.
Papa Doos. He's about to change right here on the beach.
There's Junior out there playing in the water with his cousin. And then Sarah and a Toyota.
Toyota.
Yeah, Toyota. Pookie! Pookie!
And Poop Magoop.
Wave! Oh no. Are you baptizing her?
Finally. Walking up here on the, what is this called? Mud bugs?
The mud bug.
We were already parked over here because it's right across from the bike joint. But we were like, man, New Orleans, you can like sit up here on the porch and everything, like good old Narlands. I've been to Narlands, but this is pretty cool. Got some live tunes.
Let's go see what they got. Yeah.
She on the phone with Pops. The family, they left. We're telling them how good the stuff
Oh,
is
and they
here.
got crab and corned bisque, chicken and andouille sausage gumbo. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Brown. They got. Listen to this one, Dad. Brown sugar barbecue pork belly. That pork belly is like so good. Yeah, it's just like the best part of this BLT. Egg. No, we'll get. You have.
So this was appetizer.
Yeah, pork belly. Pork belly sliders with Brussels sprouts and like an herb and garlic aioli. Look at that pork belly is thick like my thighs.
Oh dear. Look at the sunset there. Tasty. Got my jambalaya. Look at that goodness.
big scallops with like a garlic butter sauce.
Oh yeah. They smell good.